To exit no comment mode in Google Pixel phone, first we'll need to look on the right side of our device. Then there's 1, 2, 3 buttons on the right side of it. Now what we need to do is press on all of those buttons at the same time, but do it slowly until there's options appearing on your screen. Okay, so here we have it. Now to navigate and bring back our device and leave that mode, we need to select Reboot System Now and just click on the power button right here to reboot your phone, and then it should just restart normally. And here we have it.